In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I enter here the customer name and I want to here profit when I enter the any customer name here. So I'm using here the Xlookup for get the profit amount. Okay, just enter the is equal to Xlookup. Tap search key is Rocky. Okay, then comma, then lookup range. You have to understand and select the customer name, then comma. Okay, then the result range means what I want to search the profit. So I'm profit column select. Okay, and just enter. Okay, now you can see the Rocky customer. You can see a Rocky name. Customer is profit 132.5922. You can see a Rocky 132.5922. Here I am enter the second name. This is a Sandra. I just copy paste here 1.9656. You can see here 1.9656. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.